Okay, it is almost 5 p.m. on Sunday, August 6th, 2023, and it is 102 degrees out here today. And I figured instead of doing a video of my Bryants running in the extreme heat, I would come over to this office complex and some other office complexes in the area with all these Payne heat pumps and other stuff. Film some of these running in the heat. Got a 2016 3-ton Payne right here. Mine is very cold and sweaty on that. Here's a 3.5-ton one that's off right now. Here's a little 3-ton, 3.5-ton duo. It's running, both of them. That is from 2015. That's a 3.5-ton. It's pretty cold and sweaty. Here we have some Lennox Merits. That is a 3-ton from 2016. I think I got this one defrosting this past winter, if I remember correctly. Several more Paynes right here. And then here's a straight cool Trane XR. From 2021, it's a 5-ton. And actually, this is an XR16, it looks like. And then there's a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim that I've filmed before. It's a straight cool, I believe. One and a half ton from, I think, 2016. Here at a building I've never filmed at before. We have a big Lennox commercial unit running. Looks like it's from 2018 and it's a 7.5-ton. The line is very cold and sweaty. There's a Lennox T-Class. From 2018 5-ton. Also working good. And then we got a little Lennox Mini-Split right here. That is hissing. It's a heat pump. Looks like it, I think it's from 2017. I think it's a 2.5-ton. Could be wrong though. Elite. Here's all these carrier performances that I filmed running in heat mode in the winter. It's pretty cool coming out of this one. It's from 2020. It's a 2-ton. And it's not working that good, actually. I mean, it's cool. Suction line is cool, but not very sweaty at all. Looks like the fans are spinning pretty slowly on these. That one's working good. So is that one. Here's 3 big units. Got like a AAON package unit here. This is a Johnson Controls made unit. Blowing some extremely hot air out. Suction line is very cold and sweaty. Of course, does have a micro channel. Johnson Controls. And then here's a Carrier Gemini that's surprisingly off. It's got 2 big Copeland scrolls down in there. It is from 2021, and I'll have to check on the tonnage. Yeah, that has not been running. Now I'm here at this brand new office complex. I've never filmed at before. There's tons of Carrier Sentries. Figured this probably wasn't really worth its own video, so I'd include it in this one. Just do a walkthrough here real fast. Looks like these have LG scrolls. That is from 2021. It's a 37,000 BTU, 3-ton. This might be my favorite part of this entire complex. I get a kick out of this every time. Just look at how this is installed. There's the pad. Somebody just threw that down without any care. Looks like it's the same as the other one. It's working pretty good. And then you can see there's tons more down there, but they're all exactly the same. So I think I'm going to end right here. This one is a 36,000 BTU from 2022. It's decently cold, but not very sweaty at all. Here it's 7-Eleven now. Figured I'd take a quick look at these. refrigerator components. And there's a couple of Trane XB units in there. Looks like an inch board coming out that one a little bit. Here's two little baby Trane XRs right here. It's a newer one, and then this is an XR13. I think it's got a clamped up recip in there. That looks like it has an LG compressor. That's from 2022, and it's a 2-ton.